To come into Warrior One, stand at the top of your mat, placing your feet hips width apart. Step your left foot back about 3 to 4 foot. Keeping both legs straight to begin, adjust and align the foundation of your feet. Angling your left foot out to approximately 45 degrees and press firmly into the outer edge of your left foot so you create a cave in the arch of your foot. This will protect your ankle and knee by activating your left thigh muscles. Now, maintaining the actions of your left leg, point your right toes to 12 o'clock and just check and make sure your right foot is in the right lane of your yoga mat. With your feet hips width apart, you'll have more balance and stability. Lunge your right knee now, stacking your right knee over your ankle so your shin is perpendicular to the floor. This pose requires a degree of hip flexibility, and it's quite diagnostic in determining any asymmetries in your hips and your pelvis. So with your hands on your hips, begin to square your hip points to the top edge of your mat, pausing when you feel any resistance. So rather than forcing both hips to be level with the front of your mat, just explore what's possible for you in your range of motion by drawing your right hip back and your left hip forward. Ideally here, you want to allow your pelvis to rotate in the same direction as your spine. Once you've established your optimal shape, raise your arms alongside your ears. From here, activate your abdominal core so you feel a global engagement of muscles around your midsection, front to back, side to side. To do this, as you breathe out, try and imagine these 3 things. Drawing your hip bones toward one another like you're trying to get them to kiss. Drawing your obliques toward the front of your torso, toward your navel. And try and knit the bottom of your ribcage together. Exhaling with this type of focus will activate the full circumference of your inner core unit, generating strength from the center of your body. This will economize the effort of the larger muscle extremities and gives you the opportunity to spread the effort more evenly around your body. To exit the pose, simply step forward and reset for the second side.